Repurposing scrap metals and heavy machine parts into sophisticated art decor is an act that goes far beyond recycling. It is a deeply intentional practice of honoring material history, reducing waste, and shaping objects that feel personal, enduring, and emotionally resonant for design lovers, woodworking creators, and anyone inspired by sustainable living. Every piece of discarded metal carries a past that is etched into its surface through wear, weight, heat, and use. And when these materials are reclaimed rather than melted down or abandoned, their stories are preserved and transformed rather than erased. Welcome to Decor Ideas, a creative space where woodworking meets imagination and simple materials turn into inspiring decor for modern living. This channel is all about thoughtful crafting, artistic transformations, and budget-friendly decor ideas designed to spark creativity and make every space feel special. Whether you're here for inspiration, learning, or pure visual satisfaction, staying until the final moment ensures you don't miss the most rewarding details, creative twists, and finishing touches that bring every project to life. Thank you for being part of this creative journey, and we hope our videos inspire you to see possibilities in every piece of wood and every corner of your home. Old gears, steel plates, shafts, bearings, chains, and structural fragments once played vital roles in factories, workshops, and machines that powered communities and livelihoods. And by reimagining them as decor, we allow those histories to continue living within new forms. This approach challenges the idea that beauty must come from untouched or newly manufactured materials, and instead celebrates the quiet dignity of objects that have already served a purpose. Rust becomes a visual texture rather than a flaw. Weight becomes a symbol of permanence rather than inconvenience, and imperfections become signatures of authenticity. In a world saturated with mass-produced decor that often lacks soul, art created from scrap metal stands apart because it feels intentional and grounded, as though it belongs not only to a space, but to a larger story of making, unmaking, and making again. The act of transforming heavy machine parts into decor requires patience and respect, as these materials resist quick fixes and demand thoughtful engagement, and this slower process naturally encourages deeper creative decisions. Each cut, weld, polish, or assembly choice is guided by the existing form of the metal, allowing the creator to collaborate with the material rather than dominate it. This dialogue between maker and material results in pieces that feel honest and balanced, where nothing appears forced or decorative for decoration's sake. For design lovers, this authenticity translates into decor that feels grounded and mature, capable of anchoring a room with quiet strength rather than overwhelming it with trends. A sculptural centerpiece made from reclaimed steel can evoke industrial heritage while still feeling refined and modern. And a wall installation built from salvaged machine components can function as both art and conversation, inviting viewers to imagine the former life of each element. For woodworking creators, working with scrap metal offers an empowering creative path that values ingenuity over consumption, where imagination replaces shopping lists and skill development replaces instant gratification. Learning to see potential in discarded materials reshapes how creators approach not only decor, but problem-solving itself, fostering a mindset that looks for value where others see waste. This perspective can be deeply liberating, especially in a culture that often equates creativity with constant buying, because it proves that meaningful work can emerge from what already exists. Sustainable living finds a powerful ally in this practice, as repurposing heavy metal parts directly reduces waste, minimizes demand for newly extracted resources, and lowers the environmental footprint associated with manufacturing and transportation. Instead of contributing to the cycle of extraction, production, and disposal, scrap-based decor interrupts that cycle and redirects materials into long-lasting forms that may endure for decades. Unlike disposable decor trends that are quickly replaced, metal art created from reclaimed materials is inherently durable, both physically and aesthetically, making it an investment in longevity rather than novelty. The environmental impact is matched by an emotional one, as people living with these pieces often feel a deeper connection to their surroundings, knowing that their decor reflects conscious choices rather than passive consumption. There is a quiet satisfaction in owning or creating an object that embodies care, restraint, and respect for resources. And this emotional resonance is part of what makes such decor feel personal rather than generic. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and help shape the creative direction of Decor Ideas. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Heavy machine parts, once symbols of industry and labor, gain a new layer of meaning when placed in domestic or creative spaces, bridging the gap between the industrial and the intimate. A table base formed from repurposed steel beams or a sculptural lamp built from old mechanical components carries with it a sense of grounded realism that contrasts beautifully with softer interior elements like wood, fabric, or plants. This balance creates spaces that feel layered and intentional, where design choices reflect personality and values rather than fleeting fashion. Honoring material history also means resisting the urge to over-refine or disguise the origins of scrap metal, allowing tool marks, patina, and surface irregularities to remain visible as evidence of time and use. These details invite touch and curiosity, encouraging people to slow down and engage with the object rather than passively observe it. In this way, repurposed metal decor fosters a more mindful relationship with objects, reminding us that things can hold meaning beyond their immediate function or appearance. For creators, this process can be deeply fulfilling on a personal level, as it transforms making into an act of stewardship rather than consumption, reinforcing the idea that creativity can be both expressive and responsible. The resulting pieces often feel timeless because they are not anchored to a specific trend, but to universal values of durability, honesty, and craftsmanship. Over time, such decor tends to age gracefully, developing even richer patina and character rather than losing relevance, which further reinforces its enduring appeal. In markets increasingly saturated with identical products, art decor made from reclaimed machine parts stands out as inherently unique, as no two pieces of scrap metal share the same history or wear patterns. This uniqueness translates into strong emotional and aesthetic value, making these works especially appealing to those who seek individuality in their living spaces. The narrative embedded in each piece becomes part of its identity, and owners often feel pride in sharing that story with others, turning decor into a medium for connection and conversation. From an ethical perspective, this practice challenges creators and consumers alike to reconsider their relationship with materials and waste, demonstrating that beauty and sophistication do not require excess or exploitation. It shows that sustainability is not a limitation on creativity, but a catalyst for deeper innovation, pushing designers to work within constraints that ultimately lead to more thoughtful outcomes. The physical weight of metal, often seen as a challenge, becomes symbolic of permanence and commitment, reinforcing the idea that some objects are meant to last rather than be replaced. For those inspired by sustainable living, incorporating repurposed metal decor into daily environments serves as a tangible reminder that values can be expressed through design choices, turning abstract ideals into visible, functional realities. This alignment between values and surroundings can be profoundly grounding, creating spaces that feel coherent and meaningful rather than fragmented or performative. Ultimately, transforming scrap metals and heavy machine parts into art decor is about seeing worth where it has been forgotten, about listening to the quiet stories embedded in materials, and about shaping objects that honor the past while serving the present. It is a practice that rewards patience, curiosity, and respect, offering creators and owners alike the chance to participate in a more thoughtful design culture. By reducing waste, preserving material history, and creating decor that feels intentional, personal, and enduring, This approach redefines luxury not as excess but as care, not as novelty but as longevity, and not as perfection but as authenticity. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.